Setting up your preferences for the free features included with the Genie service is the best way to plan your day at Disney. We suggest doing this as a first step before you leave for your trip. Don't forget, when using the app, be sure that you have Bluetooth enabled and location services turned on, and be sure you download the latest version of the app before you travel. First, you'll scroll down to where you see the Genie lamp and it says an incredible Disney Park day awaits, and click on Get Started. Next, you will choose the date and the park you want to make plans for. If you already have Park Pass reservations, and you should, you will see that park already populated. Next, you will tell it who you will be participating with in that day's plans. The next screen is where you give the Genie some information so it can make recommendations for you. There are 4 tabs at the top: Attractions, Entertainment, Dining, and Enchanting Extras. You can choose your top 8 attractions that are must-dos for you. I am just randomly selecting options for the purposes of this video. They're not necessarily what I would recommend. As you scroll down, you will keep selecting things that you want included in your day. Next, you will let the app know if you have any park interests, such as certain characters, experiences for little ones, and fireworks. Last, you will decide if you want any extra information in your plans, such as height requirements of rides or disability access. The more information that you give the Genie app, the better recommendations it can make for you. Then you can look at the My Day tab at the top on the right and see the recommendations the Genie has made for you. It will also tell you when you can access certain features, such as booking dining reservations, although that is included in the services we offer to you. You can also get more information about rides and add them to your list. Once you've done that, you'll see the app's recommendations on the tip board. This will look slightly different if you're setting it up before you travel. Once you've done your first day, you can then go back to the beginning and repeat all of the steps for each day of your trip. One important thing to note: you don't have to do this part to use other features of Genie and Genie Plus if you added that to your reservation. We would suggest using it to help you get an idea of the things that you might like to do on your trip. But you can also skip setting it up, or you can set it up while you travel. It's completely up to you.